IELTS. This exam is considered like an ordinary exam for many people, but for some it's like a hammer. Generally, students dream of going abroad, but when it comes to giving the IELTS exam, they seem to take a back step. Students prefer to go and study abroad without IELTS, and in this regard, they keep searching for courses that do not require IELTS. So, are you also the one who is willing to study and migrate abroad without IELTS score? Well, just think. Practically, if that was possible for students or for people to migrate or study abroad without IELTS, then half of our population would have been residing in Canada or other such places. Now, frankly speaking about the options without IELTS, you can only be exempted from giving your IELTS score if you can provide scores of other English proficiency tests like TOEFL, Duolingo English test and PTE. You can submit proof that you have studied in an English medium school for at least 4 years as the replacement for English proficiency scores. The candidates from an English-speaking country are also exempted from providing IELTS test scores in Canada. You can also opt for the English language course offered by the university for those who are unable to provide English proficiency scores. So if you are looking for some alternative options besides IELTS, you can give any of these English proficiency tests. CAEL assessment, that is Canadian Assessment English Language, Duolingo English Test, PTE, Pearson English Language Test, TOEFL, Test of English as Foreign Language, CAN Test, Canadian Test of English for Scholars and Trainees. So the question arises, when we are ready to give other English proficiency tests which are almost similar to IELTS, then why can't we give IELTS, which is comparatively easier than other English proficiency tests? The reason why we don't want to give this exam is fear. Fear of not getting the desired band score, fear of wasting the money and fear of failure. But just think, if we let our dreams of study abroad go in vain because of this fear, will we be able to succeed? We might change or compromise with our dreams today. But tomorrow, when we might come across such people who bravely took this exam, cleared it and went straight to their destined country, we will just regret. So instead of regretting later, let's practice hard and crack this exam now. It might happen that we might not get the desired band score in the very first attempt. But then so what? It is not the end of the life. Obviously, so many scholars and wise men have said, never take your defeat as your failure, rather take it as an experience because we learn through our mistakes. So just take out this scare from your mind and start focusing on score, because it's time to replace scare with score to achieve a milestone in life. And for this, no one is going to help you out. You have to be your own leader and your own follower. You just have to pick up your mobile phone, pick it right away. Open the internet browser, look for IELTS coaching classes near you and get started today. Way to your dreams is just one step away. If you get scared today, you will never score tomorrow. Leave your fear away and give it a try. Like you, I was even scared while giving this exam for the very first time. But in my first attempt, it didn't get through just because I was scared like you are scared today. But when I prepared myself very well for this examination and I gave it for the second time, I cracked it. So if I can do it, obviously you can, because we do not have to give space to our fear or our scare. We have to be powerful, we have to be strong, and we have to face this exam. So go ahead and crack this exam. All the best.